Cuisinart. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you an easy pressure cooking recipe. I'm going to show you how to make matzoh ball soup with chicken that you could use, which I do actually, is use the chicken for chicken salad after. This is really simple, and first I want to ask you, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So I have mentioned this before, that I'm a registered dietitian. I'm into health, I'm into nutrition, and I love to make recipes that are healthy and super easy and super fast. I don't like lots of ingredients. I don't like to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. It's enough cleaning up after the meal's made. So this is a simple recipe, and I know you guys are gonna love it. My Cuisinart pressure cooker is a 6-quart pressure cooker, and you can actually do browning and sauteing, and you could simmer and keep your food warm, all in this pressure cooker. I love this thing. You just put all your stuff in there, let it do its thing, and it's an easy cleanup after. This recipe is super simple. I use Perdue fresh split chicken breasts for this. So there's 2 parts to making matzoh ball soup when you're doing it in the pressure cooker. You have to make your matzoh balls separate and make your chicken soup in the pressure cooker. So I'm going to be using Strites brand matzoh ball mix, and you simply just follow the directions on the back. So it's 2 eggs for each package, and there's 2 packages in here. I'm going to use both. So you're basically just going to crack your eggs, scramble them up, dump in your oil, half a cup of oil. Use a 1/4 cup each package. I'm using 2. Mix it up again. You're gonna add your packages in. Just gonna mix it all up real well, and then you have to let it sit for 15 minutes. There's another brand that makes you sit it for 15 minutes in the fridge. This one does not say to place it in the refrigerator, so I'm just gonna leave it on the counter. So it's gonna look like this once everything's mixed, and then you're just gonna let it sit for 15 minutes like the directions say. So for the soup, we're gonna put all of our ingredients in the pressure cooker. Let's do it. I don't like recipes that are complete exact sciences. I just like to get my stuff together, make it as simple and as easy as possible. So I rinsed my chicken and it's in the pressure cooker. You'll also need some minced garlic, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground thyme, onion. I picked some parsley from my garden, and carrots. The onion is just for flavor, so you don't have to slice it up unless you like eating onion in your soup, but I'm just gonna plop it in as it is. Now everything is in here, and basically you're just gonna fill it up to the top now with water. If you have it on pressure release, it will never get that full pressure that you need to cook your soup. So you want to make sure it's on the one that says pressure with the dot matching this dot. So now I plugged my pressure cooker in. We're going to hit menu. We're going to put it not on low pressure, high pressure. And you're going to put it for 20 minutes. And it is not really 20 minutes because it takes a while for it to build up its pressure. And once it does that is when the 20 minutes starts counting down. So the next part, it's been 15 minutes now, so now it's time to roll up your matzoh balls. I put them all on a plate, and then I dumped them in the boiling water all at once. So this is about this size, a little bit smaller than a golf ball. And, you know, it does get a little bit stuck. It gets a little bit stuck as you're rolling the balls up, but what could you do? It just gets on you. And you're just gonna keep making all of your matzoh balls until you have no more left in the bowl. Oh, now it's time to put them in the boiling water. Just be careful it doesn't splash on you. Plop them in. So I covered it up, and now the water is just coming back to its boil. Once it does, you're gonna turn it down to simmer. And this is really important. do not open your pot until your timer goes off. 30 minutes, you have to wait. If you look in the pot and uncover it, something happens and the matzo balls get hard as a rock. You like them nice and fluffy. That's how we like our matzo balls. So do not open the pot. You can see now my chicken soup is cooking. It's down to 14 minutes. So yeah, everything is looking good. It's cooking and I'm gonna let it be and then we'll be on back once the timers go off. Alright guys, my matzo balls are done. I'm going to drain them out the water and my chicken soup is all done as well. I recommend scooping your matzo balls out and using one of these types of slotted ladles, just because if you dump them out from the pot, they could get ruined. I mean, fall apart. So I just gently plop them out and that's it. So now I've moved those into my container. They're all in my container here. So I put my colander over it, my big pot that I used to cook the matzo balls in, and that way I could dump my soup all in here and I could strain out the carrots and the chicken and get that all ready. My soup is out and now I'm just going to pour that in with my matzo balls. Now I got my matzo balls and my soup in this large container. So yeah, the carrots are really hot. They have all this yucky stuff on them. I rinse them with cold water just to get the particles off that separate from the chicken and whatnot. If you guys know a better way to do this, you can totally let me know in the comments down below. But I like to get off the stuff, so I rinse them and plop them back into the soup, and then we're good to go. And here it is, the matzo ball soup is all done. And here's my chicken salad. I put some red onion and some carrots. I also do like celery, but I forgot to get it. And that is it for this meal. Matzo ball soup and chicken salad. I am going to dig in. Alright guys, that's it for today. My matzo ball soup and my chicken salad are all done. Super simple, super easy. I wanted to share how easy it is with you guys, and it's also super healthy. So if you guys like this video, please comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you try it, let me know as well. I'd love to hear your feedback. So if this is your first time here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.